I'm here at the gas station. We're getting filled up. We're getting ready to go back to the RV to drop off the dog. And then we're going to the boat where we're going to start the massive job of cleaning it to get it ready to move our stuff in. And it's a lot more work than I thought it was going to be, but that's okay. I just can't stand the way it smells right now. We purchased a 1980 Morgan 382 sailboat and have been doing the diligent work of cleaning it to get ready to move into and move out of the RV. There is a whole bunch of projects that need to be done on this boat, but we're excited to get started and get everything done and get moved into the sailboat. How do you like your new house, Dino? It's hot. How do you like your new house, Paul?
Amazing.
So I feel like I should be making more YouTube video during this whole transition, but I'm just really exhausted and it's hard to do that. But let me tell you a little bit of what's going on right now. I have been doing the kitchen and putting that away and organizing the kitchen. It's definitely smaller than the space that we had in the RV. The refrigerator is only cooling down to 50 degrees, right? So that's not super great, but since I am a vegetarian, like mostly vegan, it's not a huge deal because we don't have meat in there. We've been sleeping in the salon because Paul's cutting the mattress, and I'll show you that in a second. And so over here is where I got the canned goods and some of our games and stuff, but it's all just kind of like out right now. There's no real organization. We don't have this is the quarter berth. It's really bad, you guys. It's really bad. The outlets on the starboard side work, and the outlets on the port side do not work, except for the one that was for the microwave, which is by itself. So that's what we have been using for all our appliances. Oh, and the stove doesn't work. That's why we got this Ninja Foodie. We're just gonna go all electric because whatever. We have the solar from the boat or from the RV, so we're just gonna do that. So there's no bed here in the V berth right now. That's Paul cutting up the mattress, and I'll take you topside so you can see that. But here is all my shit. These are all my clothes, and toiletries are in the head. So, but that's really not very many clothes for a girl. I think. Anyhow, this is the electric. Shit. It's like, it's a little nutty. It's a little nutty. Our neighbors must think we're like the really hillbillies of boat life. Look at, they have this beautiful catamaran next to us with their fancy mattress there that they bought, and we're in juxtaposition cutting up a mattress. There's Paul cutting the mattress up so that we have it in the V berth. But you know, whatever, we're saving our dollars. So that's the same mattress that we had in the RV, and we really liked it. So we're excited to use it in the V-berth. Hopefully things will be very comfortable tonight. I'm driving to a storage unit. We bought a storage unit because it was just easier than dealing with getting rid of everything out of the RV right away, because we have some things we want to sell, like the composting toilet and the kayak and the paddleboard and stuff, which you would think we would want to use those on the boat, but honestly there's really no space for them. And you know, it's just it's a smaller living situation. And I had a little bit of a meltdown today because I mean, it's hard, everything, it's hot all the time, so everything is a little bit harder when it's hot. But the previous owner of the boat is supposed to come by. I was like, is that him? Is supposed to come by and bring us the radar, so that's exciting. And I want to ask him why the outlets don't work on one side. But yeah, it's just hard, you know, to move out of the RV and move into the boat because it's such a major change and we really don't have any idea what we're doing. So light change. Having my morning coffee out here with the dog. And so the transition is real. It's a lot more than I thought it was going to be. And when it rains, everything is moist all the time. And I'm not really used to that because I'm a desert person. So, you know, I'm just getting used to that. Also, the space is a lot smaller than what it was in the RV, and we're not unpacked at all. So I really want to put a lot of effort today into unpacking and getting things organized. I think that will make a huge difference. I'd like to get rid of more things. I think I overestimated our space, although there is like a lot of hidden spaces in the boat, which is kind of cool. So today's just going to be about organizing and getting it ready to live in so that it feels more comfortable. We have two major big jobs, so we just got the RV ready and it looks really great. We're going to put it for sale on RV Trader today. I just uploaded the video, so hopefully that will sell really quickly. The dealership that we were going to sell it to, the people here in Texas are so nice, it's incredible. But the dealership we were going to sell it to, he actually was like, you should just try and sell it yourself because you'll make like twice as much money. And, you know, if your coach is in excellent condition, like you say, then it's going to go really fast. So fingers crossed that happens. And then we can get the two major projects fixed on the boat, and then it will be saleable, which will be a lot better because being stuck at the marina is not very fun, and that's not why we did this. So my neighbor's going to be working now, so I'm going to go ahead and go because that's going to make sound really awful. And thank you for watching this week's episode on the chaos of moving into the boat. We are officially week 1 in, and I'll see you for the next insanity of week 2. Hopefully I'll be like, and our RV sold right away. Send us some luck. Thank you so much for watching. If you could do me a huge favor and share the link to the RV Trader posting of our luxury travel trailer everywhere that you have social media and access to posting, we would so appreciate it. Like and subscribe. See you next week.